The iPhone 12 Pro camera. It's 12 megapixels and includes ultra-wide, wide, and telephoto camera, plus the LiDAR scanner, available for both 12 Pro and Pro Max, minus the scanner and telephoto on the regular 12 and Mini. Today I'm sharing my experience with it in the last week and a half, giving you a regular person's perspective on the new features and improvements. I'll be comparing it to last year's 11 Pro, so you see if there's any difference. Feel free to pause during comparisons so you can look closer at images. Give this a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. Let's take a look. Using it by itself, I think it's really good. After the pandemic's over, I see myself being active going out to events, parties, and social media. In the meantime, I take lots of pictures and videos of outdoor activities. And my pet. Of course, I use it half the time on this YouTube channel. This is wide, and this is ultra wide. Coming from 11 Pro, I don't notice any difference, but putting it side to side, you do see a slight improvement in color. That's thanks to HDR Dolby Vision recording, now enabled on the new iPhones. It now says HDR in my Photos app and recording video. Let's see how it compares in sections. With a good enough connection, FaceTime is now in HD 1080p instead of 720 SD. Ask my family on the other side of this FaceTime video if they notice a difference. Though I'm sure it's there, they don't notice a change, but they do say it's clear. By the way, if you want to see more of this artist's work, check out this Instagram account. The most noticeable change to me when taking photos is night mode improvement. If you're new to this, you'll discover how the camera can automatically pick up more light in the dark, so you're not limited to just taking photos in the day. It's pretty amazing how it looks brighter in the photos than it is in real life. 11 Pro only had this on the back wide camera. Now all the camera's modes seem to have it, which includes ultra wide, telephoto, which is the zoom in camera, as well as the front facing camera. 12 Pro's time-lapse here picks up the light from the porch as the sun goes down. Also notice that it catches the vehicles in the background. Portrait mode, when at a good angle, can now look really good at night, or in dim lighting. I can see this working real well in the future when parties are a thing again, or with other dimly lit backgrounds like city lights and Christmas lights. This is thanks to a new sensor in the back. That pretty mole by the cameras, the blur or bokeh, is supposed to be better. So far it seems like a minor improvement to me. That new sensor is the LiDAR Scanner. With the ability to 3D map your environment using its own lasers, the LiDAR Scanner opens doors to more possibilities with AR. It does this by measuring how long it takes to bounce back the light to the sensor. And feel free to request for any features and tests in the comments below. Initial impressions to me though are how quick it recognizes the environment. Apps no longer ask for you to move your camera around first to sense the environment's light, because it already knows everything. It can even find a person's height almost immediately. Pretty impressive. Other new things to notice are subtle. Like, Deep Fusion is now on the front-facing camera. This means you're able to see textures in better detail. This was new in the back of the camera on last year's phones, and now it's also available in the front of this year's. Stabilization looks the same to me. Apple didn't add any improvements on it, but they did include it on the Pro Max model. In conclusion, 12 Pro only has minor improvements on cameras. Dolby Vision is not so easy to notice. I personally wouldn't upgrade from 11 Pro to 12 Pro just for the cameras. If I had a 10S or below, I'd start considering it. I might check out the 11 Pro Max's cameras because it's supposed to be slightly better. I'd like to hear your experience with these cameras in the comments below. Would you still upgrade to this? I hope this helped. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. My goal is 1,000 subscribers by the end of November, so I greatly appreciate all the support so far. Thanks for watching.